It's the 30th of August 2023 and we're joining the westbound M8 from the M74. SP71KYY, the red Tortoise, has been set to SDSF. Smart driving saves fuel and maintains good progress and chooses the correct lane. YY22MLJ, the black Hare, has been set to WKR. Wrong knowledge of roads, and joins from junction 21 Scotland Street. Both Volvos are programmed for the westbound M8. The Hare accelerates in the 50 mph zone to take the southbound M77. It performs emergency braking and crosses the solid white lined chevrons, narrowly missing the crash barriers. And then moves straight out to lane 4. The Tortoise stays in lane 2 because he knows we lose lane 1 to the Clyde Tunnel Approach. Both completed 1.2 miles in 1 minute 24 seconds. I'll let you guess who the winner is. The Hare holds lane 4, only falling back to lane 3 to undertake. Thank you for watching.